Elite Roof Repair in Folsom, California. Getting ready to fix a roof leak. Tile roof, very common issue. You got downspout dropping right on the roof. And then, so all the dirt that comes through collects right there behind that tile. Never makes its way down to the bottom where it's supposed to go. And you can see we got holes in here, down to bare wood. A lot of moisture. So we're going to pull these tiles up, redo the underlayment, and I'm going to put a downspout extension on here, bring it out this way and down, so it's not just funneling right down inside there. Elite Roof Repair in Folsom, California, 916-459-6309, eliteroofrepair.com.